In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to analyze a financial report from QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through a simple process for exporting a report from QuickBooks, uploading it into ChatGPT, and using AI to get a helpful summary and deeper insights. This can save time when you're reviewing financial information, but it's important to remember that AI should support your decision making, not replace your own review. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and navigating to the financial report you want to analyze. A common example is the profit and loss report, since it gives you a clear view of income, expenses, and overall performance for a selected period. Before moving on, make sure you're looking at the correct date range so the analysis reflects the time period you actually want to review. Once you have the report open, export or download it as a file. This gives you a version you can share with ChatGPT for analysis. Make sure the report downloads completely and that the file is easy to locate on your device. If needed, quickly glance over the report so you know what you're uploading and can confirm it contains the information you expect. Next, open ChatGPT and upload the report file. After the file is attached, ask ChatGPT to summarize the financial results. This is a great first step because it helps you get a plain English overview of what the report is showing. For example, you might want a short explanation of whether income increased, whether expenses appear high, or whether profitability looks stronger or weaker than expected. After that, you can ask for more specific insights. Request trends in revenue or expenses, unusual or potentially unexpected costs, cash flow related observations, or useful comparison points within the report. The more focused your prompt is, the more practical the response is likely to be. This is especially useful if you want help spotting patterns quickly before a meeting or financial review. Once ChatGPT gives you an answer, review it carefully against the original QuickBooks report. This step is essential. AI can be helpful, but it may occasionally misread formatting, make assumptions, or phrase a conclusion too confidently. Always compare the response with the actual numbers in QuickBooks to make sure everything lines up. Finally, use those insights to prepare follow-up questions or support business decisions, but verify any important figures before acting on them. Think of ChatGPT as a tool to help you interpret the report faster, while QuickBooks remains your source of truth. That combination can make your financial review process much more efficient and much more informed.